Are you tired of compromising on the quality and flavor of your daily cup of coffee just for the sake of convenience? Do you dream of enjoying coffee shop quality beverages right in the comfort of your own home? If the answer is yes, then you're in for a treat. In this review, we'll introduce you to Bruvi, a revolutionary single-serve coffee system that's about to transform your coffee experience for the better. The Bruvi Difference. Bruvi is not your average single-serve brewer. It's a game-changer, offering you a whole new level of coffee excellence. Let's dive into the features that set it apart. Auto-optimized brewing. When you brew with Bruvi, you're not just making coffee, you're creating an experience. Bruvi scans each coffee pod and automatically adjusts up to 7 brewing parameters. It explores hundreds of combinations to ensure that you get the optimal brew every single time. It's like having a skilled roaster right in your kitchen, ensuring that your coffee tastes exactly as intended. Hygienic Brew. One common issue with many coffee makers is that coffee passes through various internal components, potentially leading to flavor cross-contamination and the need for daily rinsing. Bruvi has solved this problem by ensuring that your coffee goes directly from the pod to your cup. There's no contact with the insides of the brewer, which means your brew is more hygienic, and there's no need for daily cleanups. More coffee, better coffee. We all know that the quality of coffee depends on the coffee beans. Bruvi takes this to heart by only using super premium, craft coffee in its bee pods. Each pod contains up to 40% more coffee than a typical coffee pod, which means a richer, more satisfying cup of coffee. Whether you're brewing a classic cup or a double shot espresso, you'll taste the difference. Ultimate beverage variety. Bruvi doesn't stop at offering great coffee. It takes your coffee experience to the next level by providing an array of beverage options. You can enjoy everything from traditional coffee to high-pressure espresso, Americanos, cold brew, iced coffee, infused coffee, and even matcha lattes. If you want hot water for tea or other hot beverages, Bruvi has you covered. It's like having a coffee shop in your kitchen. Super premium selection. The coffee in bee pods comes from a curated selection of craft coffee brands. This means you're not just getting any coffee, you're getting the best of the best. With Bruvi, you have the opportunity to explore coffee flavors from your favorite companies, making every brew an adventure. The guilt-free toss. Tired of feeling guilty about the environmental impact of your coffee pods? Bruvi offers an ingenious solution for more responsible disposal. With Bruvi, you can enjoy great coffee without compromising your commitment to the environment. Mobile app connectivity. In today's world, connectivity is key. Bruvi offers a mobile app that allows you to remotely start your brew, schedule brewing in advance, track your personal coffee consumption, and even order more pods with ease. It's a convenient way to stay connected with your coffee maker. In conclusion, if you're a coffee enthusiast who refuses to compromise on taste, quality, and convenience, Bruvi is the answer to your coffee prayers. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a coffee experience enhancer. With its auto-optimized brewing, hygienic design, and commitment to using only the best coffee, Bruvi is about to take your daily coffee routine to new heights. Say goodbye to settling for mediocre coffee and hello to an elevated coffee experience that's just a brew away. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.